being that big host correspondent, me, Looney Bird. Yes, and I'm reporting on things like people, places, animated characters, and other junk. So, let's get the show started with letters to Looney Bird.
Hey, that was pretty good little introduction there, Looney Bird. Who's our first letter from?
Well, it's from Allison Hatchett of Weehawken, New Jersey. And she writes, Dear Looney Bird, I have a question for your trivia show. It's about Beach Bear because he is my idol. My mom says he never takes a bath, and that's cool by me. Anyway, who in the Rock-afire explosion can tell me, without looking, what the exact color of Beach Bear's eyes is? And no cheating allowed. Thanks for asking my question, and please say hello to Beach Bear for me. He's a real cutie. He loves Allison Hatchett. P.S. What is that thing on Duke's head? It's weird.
Yeah, well, let's see if we can handle those questions. We'll take Allison's trivia question first. How about opening up the center stage curtain there and let's get an answer to that. Hey, guys, how y'all doing?
Hey.
Hey, did y'all hear that question all right?
Heard it.
Okay, guys, without looking, who knows what color Beach Bear's eyes are?
Can I look?
No, you're disqualified.
I used to know that question.
Dark black.
No, that ain't right, Fats.
Hey, dude.
What?
Let me give you a hint.
Okay.
In high school, my nickname was Old Blue Eyes.
Let me see. Oh,
I know, it's blue.
how do you know that, Busy?
I just kind of took a wild guess.
Oh, that's right. They're blue. That's right.
Okay, you guys, we still got one more question.
What was that?
Allison wants to know, what's that thing on Duke's head?
Oh, that's a microwave. And a nice one at that.
Nope.
It's a flower pot.
Nope.
It's a graduation cap.
Uh-uh.
Well, tell us, what is it, Duke?
What is this thing on Duke's head by Duke-a-roo? Well, when I was a little puppy dog, I wanted to grow up to be a space dog, so I made me a spacesuit. And while I'm waiting to go into space, I'm gonna sit here and play drums with y'all. So that's what this thing is on my head by Duke-a-roo.
Just play the drums, Duke, and be quiet.